Hello kids! Welcome to the Phonics by Planet Spark YouTube channel.
Which word starts with a sound? Option A is orange. Option B is elephant. Option C is art. The correct answer is art.
Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question.
Which word starts with B sound? Option A is ship. Option B is burger. Option C is moon. The correct answer is burger.
Fantastic work, kids! Let's listen to the next sound.
What is the beginning sound in craft? Option A is A. Option B is K. Option C is T. The correct answer is K.
Well done, kids! Now move to the next question. Free one-on-one phonics check. Know your child's reading level in 30 minutes. Link in the description. Here comes the next question.
Which word starts with D sound? Option A is drink. Option B is earth. Option C is sun. The correct answer is drink.
Super job, kids! Let's listen to the next sound.
Which word rhymes with hat sound? Option A is bird. Option B is bat. Option C is lion. The correct answer is bat.
You did it, kids! Let's find the next letter sound.
Which word starts with a sound? Option A is T-shirt. Option B is eagle. Option C is cycle. The correct answer is eagle.
Amazing job, kids! Now move to the next question. Listen carefully. Please like and subscribe the channel.
What is the ending sound in gear? Option A is R. Option B is O. Option C is X. The correct answer is R.
Brilliant work, kids! Ready for the next phonics challenge?
Which is the middle sound in run? Option A is S. Option B is L. Option C is U. The correct answer is U.
Keep it up, kids! Let's try the next question. Hey, superstar! Want to show me how fast you can read? Ask Mama or Papa to book your reading challenge below.
Which word starts with F sound? Option A is frog. Option B is balloon. Option C is cow. The correct answer is frog.
Keep it up, kids! Let's try the next question. Before going through the questions, here is a fun activity. Can you find the odd letter from this poster? Did you spot the letter?
Now let's go to the phonics question. Which word ends with G sound? Option A is hill. Option B is pig. Option C is bag. The correct answer is pig.
Clap, clap! Great job, kids! One more phonics question is coming up.
Which word starts with S sound? Option A is sleep. Option B is ball. Option C is egg. The correct answer is sleep.
Great job, kids!
Which word starts with D sound?
Option A is table. Option B is water. Option C is soil.
The correct answer is table.
Excellent job, kids! Here comes the next question.
Which word starts with sound? Option A is man. Option B is cat. Option C is paper. The correct answer is man.
Fantastic work, kids! Let's listen to the next sound.
What is the beginning sound in village? Option A is V. Option B is Fu. Option C is Do. The correct answer is V.
Well done, kids! Now move to the next question.
Which word starts with W sound? Option A is guitar. Option B is waist. Option C is cat. The correct answer is waist.
Super job, kids! You did amazing today. Ready to start your learning journey? Click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today. Like the video, subscribe to Phonics by Planet Spark, and don't forget, feel free to comment below. See you next time. Bye-bye, and keep learning. Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker.